Hey there, content creators. If you are tired of seeing your hard work copied and pasted without permission, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I will walk you through a simple yet effective solutions to protect your content on your WordPress website. Alright, let's get straight to the point. If you want people to stop copying your content, do not scroll any further. Watch this entire video to discover how to safeguard your valuable content using a powerful plugin on your WordPress site. Okay, first thing first, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now I know the struggle of finding the right plugin can be real, but I have got you covered. We will be using the plugin WP Content Copy Protection today, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Installing the plugin is a breeze. So, to install the plugin, go to the plugin and click on Add New. And in the search bar, type WP Content Copy Protection. So that's the plugin you need to install. So it says this WP plugin protect the post content from being copied by any other website author. So to install the plugin, click on Install Now. Click on Activate. Upon activation, this plugin will work straight out of the box. User will no longer be able to copy and paste text from your site. Then if you want to change the plugin setting, it's so easy to do so. Simply go to the copy protection page in your WordPress admin. Once activated, you will find a whole set of options to customize the level of protection you want. From disabling right click to adding watermarks, the plugin has it all. And all of these are enabled. Make sure you click the Save Setting button after making any changes. You can also change the message that will appear if someone tries to print your content. The message will display like this in the print preview and on the printout itself. And these two are for pro users, but in my case we are using free version. So if you want to add more features to your WordPress website, then you can buy its pro version. Now I'm able to copy my content, but refresh the page and you will see you will not be able to copy your content. Refresh the page and after that, when I try to copy the content, I'm not able to do so. And here the real magic happens. When someone tries to copy your content, they won't get far. And trust me, it's going to make your life a whole lot easier. No more worrying about unauthorized use of your articles, images, or any other valuable content. While many new website owners want to stop people from copying their content from their site, these techniques do not really prevent content theft. Any slightly tech-savvy user can easily open your website code source to copy any content that they want. Also, not everyone copying your text will be a content thief. For instance, some people may want to copy the title to share your post on social media. This is why it is not best practice to prevent text selection. I recommend you only use this method if you feel it's truly needed for your site. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to protect your content on WordPress. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow content creators. And of course, hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy creating, and I will see you in the next tutorial.